Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to smoke goose breast in an electric smoker. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to smoke goose breast in an electric smoker is honest-food.net. See the page titled Smoked Duck Recipe, How to Smoke a Duck or Goose. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site forum.bradleysmoker.com, especially the page Smoke a Whole Goose. Bradley Smoker. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site honest-food.net. The web page Smoked Goose Breast Recipe, a recipe for smoked goose. Here's the link.